Hello everyone. Today let us learn Pythagoras theorem in a very easy way. So let me read out the statement quickly. In a right angle triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the square of the other two sides. So right angle triangle drawn this way, ABC right angle triangle, and it is right angled at B. For construction, we will drop an altitude, that is BD, perpendicular to AC. So we will have another two right angle triangles here. First one is ABC and the second one is ADB, another one BDC here, 90 degree, because we are constructing BD perpendicular to AC. Now here given a right angle triangle is given and we have named it as ABC. We have taken here angle B as 90 degree. Then what we have to prove? We have to prove according to the statement square on hypotenuse is equal to square on the sum of the square on other two sides. So one will be base and another will be perpendicular. So AC square in this hypotenuse is 90 degree, main triangle, big triangle, hypotenuse is AC. So AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So that's we are going to prove over here. Now let me tell you before moving on with the proof, outline of the theorem, what we are going to prove here. We are going to prove 2 times similarity of triangles using double A criteria. 2 times in 2 different triangles. That is one here, the small triangle and the big one, and the other one this triangle and the big triangle. So we will be proving the similarity and by double A criteria, then the similar triangles corresponding sides are proportional. We will take the two sides proportional, then adding equation of these two, then simplification, then our theorem will be done. So this is our outline of the theorem. 2 times similarity, then using the similarity here, sides are proportional, adding equation 1 and 2, simplification, proved. So let us start with the proof here. So construction, we have to write it here. From B, draw BD perpendicular to AC. When you start the theorem, see to that the question will be given as state and prove Pythagoras theorem. So write statement, diagram, then given to prove construction, then we will go on with proof over here. Okay, so let us start quickly. As I told you, 2 times similarity. In triangle, be clear about writing the triangle. Triangle ADB and ABC. So it would be better for us to pull out this triangle over here. See how I will be drawing in this case. First draw ABC, how it is. ABC. Similar way we will draw the triangle ABD. Now B here is 90 degree. If you understand this part, the theorem will be easy. Now I am taking this the full triangle ABC and ABD. In this small triangle which is 90 degree D and which is common angle A. So do match up with that. 90 degrees D, common angle A, so it is here A, so I'll place A here. The other vertex is B, keep it here B. So first we'll prove similar these two triangle, angle A equal to angle A, common angle A is equal to angle A, common angle. Do write the reason, and then ABC is equal to ADB. ABC is equal to ADB. What is the reason? Both are equal to 90 degree. So by double A criteria, therefore triangle ADB is similar to triangle ABC. What it is criteria? AA similarity criteria. Then the next part, this I told 2 times similarity, so one time we did. Now here make a note both the hypotenuse required. And in this one here, in this we are referring to this figure itself. So this one, which is a side which falls on, common side which falls on both the triangle, is AB. So we will select here this one AB, and corresponding to this one is this side. So that's why pull out the triangle, it will be easy for you, very easy. So now look, I'll take AB by AD, AC by AP. So it will be AB by AD is equal to AC by AB. What we will write the reason? Since in similar triangles, corresponding sides are proportional. This also is a theorem. Two triangles are similar, then their corresponding sides are proportional. Now to cross multiply, so it will be AB square is equal to AC into AD. Make this as equation 1. So proved, one time similarity done. Then moving on with the second time similarity. So we will take now, we finished this small triangle and the big one. Now we'll take this triangle and the big triangle. So we will first name them in triangle BDC and ABC. So I will pull out the triangle here again, ABC, how it is like that only you draw and name it according to this one, ABC. One more triangle I will draw here, and now I will do the naming. First I will do naming D here, this is B and 90 degree, this one also 90 degree. So this side the common here is DC, C comes this side. So I will place C here, which is another vertex of the small triangle B, level. So hypotenuse needed, this side needed, we don't want this side. So let us prove the similarity. Here angle ABC is equal to angle BDC, reason 90 degree, which is a common angle, C equal to C, angle C is equal to angle C, common angle. So therefore triangle BDC is similar to triangle ABC. I hope you remember the outline. AA similarity criteria. Then so again we are now going to take corresponding sides are proportional. Which one? Look, AC by BC is equal to, look, BC by DC. BC sides, corresponding sides are proportional. Since in similar triangle, write the same thing. In similar triangle, corresponding sides are proportional. Corresponding sides are proportional. So done. Now cross multiply. What do you get? BC into BC, BC square, AC into DC. So here we proved got our second equation. So what we finished with, 2 times similarity and then sides proportional. Now third part, the next part will be adding equation 1 and 2. So AB square plus BC square is equal to AC into AD plus AC into DC. Look, I have added this one, LHS with LHS, these two here, this one and this equation, AB square plus BC square, LHS here, and this plus this on the RHS. Now next part we finished adding, next part is simplification. You can see we already got our RHS of the proof. AC and AC common, take out common here, then AD plus DC. We will go back to the question and figure and check out. See, AD plus CD is what? AC. So we will write here AC into AC. what we got here finally, AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square, or the same thing we will write AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Simplification, then proved. I hope you all understood.